Hey everyone, I'm Courtney Roulston and I'm sharing my what's for dinner recipe with you from my home in my kitchen. I know so many of us are struggling out there, people are stuck indoors, but I think there's nothing like a delicious meal to bring everyone together. I'm going to be cooking for you my Harissa lamb koftas with some couscous and carrot slaw. It's using really great value everyday ingredients. It's really simple to make, so let's get on with the cooking. 1 cup of couscous. I'm just going to put a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil onto the couscous with 1 cup of boiling or hot water. Give that a stir. Okay, now pop a plate on top of the couscous. So our carrot salad is super easy. So I'm going in with a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to pop some ground cumin into the dressing. You want a good pinch of sea salt. And I'm also going in with a dash of maple syrup. Give that a little stir. Now I'm using 1 onion that I've cut in half. So I'm going in with a long red chilli. Now I've got 3 carrots just grated up. These are available all year round. We've also got some coriander. One other thing to go into our carrot salad is some sesame seeds. I've just toasted these off. That's the carrot salad done. So for the lamb koftas, Olive, we're trying to cook dinner here. Alright, so for the lamb koftas, I've got 500 grams of Coles Lamb Mince, half of that onion diced up. I've got some pine nuts for some beautiful texture, a heaped teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to need some sea salt in there, season that up, coriander stalks, and I'll just use 1 hand to mix this. You want to grab golf ball sized pieces of the mince, just pop them in the pan. You should get about 20 koftas out of 500 grams of mince. Give the koftas maybe 2 to 3 minutes and then give them a turn. Harissa is just a hot pepper paste. You can get this in the International Island supermarket. Once that's fried up, just give those koftas a toss around in that harissa. It really does take this dish to the next level. I'll just pop these onto a serving plate. There we have it, guys. That is my what's for dinner recipe that I've shared with you. You can head over to coles.com.au to get loads more inspiration from other chefs. This one really does put a little bit of sunshine into our house every time we make it. Cheers.